nicknames to Todoroki, huh? Then it would be Icy Hot, Half and Half, Daddy Issues, Shitty Eyes, Halfie, Elsa, Scar, Two-Face, Frozen, and Endeavor's masterpiece, I guess. I'm a girl. My name is Tasnim. I read in class 8. My hobby is using mobile phone. I am 14. I am from Bangladesh. My role is one. Islam, Alhamdulillah. Katsuki, of course. My favorite English song is Do You Love Me Back? 3. I love science. 2 plus 2 is 5. Wait, really? You live in Earth? Nice to meet you. I live in Jupiter. My Hero Academia. I love cats. My favorite color is white. My inspiration was Kocho at 60. I don't have one. Shinobu Kocho. Biryani. Every whitey friends. Bochan. I wanna eat sushi and ramen. No, I didn't watch this anime. Bamboo copter so I can fly, and that pink door. I can't remember the name, but I want it. Thank you, Sissy. I'm fine. What about you? Odetari. You mean my second favorite anime? It's Tokyo Ghoul. Saudi Arab, Japan, and India. Of course, I love you, bestie. March, cause I born in that month. I don't know. I am rewatching My Hero Academia. I'm 5 feet 3 inch. Favorite Pokemon character is Ash. My favorite Pokemon is Pikachu. Chocolate. I don't know about dream job, but I want superpower. I would marry him. I can't list. I love every whitey friends. Katsuki Bakugo. Katsuki X me. Katsuki. Toga Himiko. I love Sanekana. I hate Bella the Wolf. Never. You know, if my family knows, I will be in trouble. I'm doing it right now. Triggered Insan and I'm Bhikshu. Of course, I love you, bestie. My inspiration of opening a channel was Kocho Edit 60. But if you ask me why I am still doing edits, then it's because of my whitey friends. I love you all. My whitey friends. Odetari is my favorite and I love his every song. It's okay, bestie. I am Tasnim. I am 14 years old. I read in class 8. I live in Bangladesh. I guess it's enough for biodata. My home. আল্লাহর রহমতে এক্সামে ভালো করো। না, not in real life. Looks like you are younger than me. I can speak 3 languages, English, Bangla and Hindi. In that episode when Katsuki was having a panic attack, I was like, Izuku, wake up and help him. Then he became my favorite. I am single. Once I called my mom when I reach 1k subscribers. Sweet, beautiful, amazing, kind and supportive. Thank you for all of your questions. Sorry for the background noises.